Design creatives for your app. ASO best practices. In the vast realm of app development and marketing, mastering ASO is non-negotiable for ensuring your mobile app or game not only stands out in a crowded marketplace but also captivates the target audience effectively. Along with metadata optimization, the creatives of your app, through its icon, screenshots, and preview video, plays a crucial role in captivating potential users. It is crucial that your app, game as creatives stand out and resonate with your target user base. Users will spend only a few seconds analyzing your game or app as creatives before moving on to a competitor. Your creatives must stand out while highlighting the features and value propositions that will resonate with them the most. Create an effective icon. Your app game icon is the most visible visual element, so it needs to be impactful. A well-designed icon not only captures attention but also conveys the essence of your app or game effectively. Here are some tips for designing an eye-catching and memorable icon for your app. Ensure your icon is unique and recognizable. The mobile market is incredibly competitive, and you want to ensure your icon stands out from competitors. Your icon should be concise and memorable. Your app icon shouldn't be too simple, but it also cannot be too complicated, as that may distract users. The icon should be attention-grabbing without cramming too much text, imagery, or patterns into it. Ensure your icon communicates the right message about your game or app to users. This will likely be the first creative element users see and form their initial expectations of your game or app based on the icon. Select colors and imagery that align with your game as identity. Create engaging screenshots. Ensure your screenshot text is large enough to read on a small device. Highlight the most popular value propositions and features within the first 3 screenshots. 3. Make sure your screenshots are attention-grabbing and stand out from competitors. 4. Focus on one feature or value proposition per slide, and make sure your in-app imagery supports the accompanying text. 5. To make the screenshots more engaging, emphasize different components of the UI, incorporate other design elements, use a splash screen or use different sizes, fonts and colors for your copy. Create effective preview videos. App preview videos play a significant role in App Store marketing, particularly for mobile games. If you have a video that will appear in the search results on iOS and can take the lead in Google Play, your preview video has the potential to profoundly influence your conversion rate and visibility. Follow these tips for creating preview videos that capture attention effectively. You do not have a lot of time to get users' attention. Make sure your video starts off with compelling content to keep users engaged. Videos do not autoplay on Google Play all the time. This means your feature graphics should compel users to play your promo video, make it appealing and convey a core value proposition that will resonate with users. 3. Showcase real gameplay or footage from your app or game. 4. Create a compelling video without sound, as most users will not have it turned on. 5. Each segment of your video should focus on a different element or feature of your app or game. 6. Make sure your video has no time-sensitive content. If it does, ensure you update your video once that time-sensitive element has passed. A/B test your creatives. A/B testing in ASO is a critical strategy for app developers aiming to enhance their app or game as visibility and conversion rate on both iOS and Google Play. By comparing different versions of an app as page elements, such as icons, preview videos, and screenshots, developers can identify which variations most effectively attract and engage users. When comparing Apple ASO with Google Play App Store listing experiments, a few key differences deserve our attention. Scope of testing. Apple restricts tests to creative assets, whereas Google Play extends the capability to A/B test both short and long descriptions. Process for initiating A/B tests. For Pro, developers must submit their creative assets for Apple Ads review before going live, whereas Google Play Store experiments can be launched at any time without prior review. App version requirements. Android allows you to test new icons without rolling out a new app version, whereas Pro icon tests require the inclusion of the icon in the new app built as binary. Duration of tests. Pro tests have a cap of 90 days, while Google Play experiments can continue indefinitely. Also, ensure each A/B test builds upon the previous one. Here are some elements you can A/B test. The order of your screenshots. The gameplay, features, or value propositions you highlight within the first 3 screenshots. The background color. The type of characters you highlight in your screenshots. Landscape vs portrait mode. Optimize creatives for seasonality in the app stores. It is important to understand when your app experiences seasonal spikes if you have an accounting app. For instance, understanding when the tax-related seasonality trend occurs is crucial. This data can help you strategize when to update your creatives to prominently feature your tax-related features. The seasonality battle is won early. If you read too late, your competitors will beat you to the punch. However, by updating your creatives for seasonal events just before they become popular, you can gain a competitive edge. It is also important to identify major holidays and how they impact your app as seasonal strategy. Black Friday and Cyber Monday present huge sales opportunities. If you have a sale or event related to Black Friday and Cyber Monday but don't highlight it in your app, game creatives, users may assume you're not offering significant promotions and move on to a competitor. When it comes to highlighting seasonal events within your creatives, it is usually best to let the event take up only a portion of your creatives. For example, if you have a retail app, you don't need every screenshot to be about your Black Friday promotion. Since other competitors likely have similar promotions, you still want to emphasize the features and value propositions that set your app apart from the competition. Localize your creatives for global success. Localizing your creatives is more than just translating the text into another language. Creatives resonate more with users if they offer an experience that users can relate to. Creative optimization is key to improving your app's visibility on the App Store and Google Play. Both the stores factor in an app's conversion rate when determining its placement. If your app features various elements, try to understand which features users in specific markets leverage the most. Use these insights to ensure that your screenshots in each market prominently highlight the features that resonate most with users. Considering seasonal events is also crucial. For instance, Thanksgiving is a US-focused holiday, so adding a Thanksgiving theme to users in other markets outside the US may not make much sense. In the case of an accounting app, different markets will have varying tax filing deadlines, impacting the implementation of your seasonal strategy. Your creatives play a pivotal role in determining the performance of your app or game. It is crucial to conduct thorough research to produce creatives that resonate with your target user base. Creatives are not static. They require continuous A/B testing and updates. Neglecting this aspect can lead to a stagnant conversion rate, negatively impacting your app or game's visibility and performance. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.